Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Our today's lesson is about the usage of Mendeley for inserting references into your document as well as then changing the style, and we will also learn how to download new styles into your Mendeley software. Also you will see the method of downloading references from Google Scholar as well as Pubmed into the Mendeley. So let's begin. Before using Mendeley, you will have to sign in both through the software as well as into the website of the Mendeley. So let me show you how you sign in on your Mendeley software as well as on the Mendeley website. Now type your email and the password you are using for signing in into the Mendeley. After typing the email and password, just click sign in and you will be signed in to Mendeley. Now we are signed in to the Mendeley, and now let me show you how to sign into the website of Mendeley. Open your web browser, go to Mendeley website. Now click sign in. After clicking the sign in, it will ask you for the email and the password. Just type those email and password and click sign in. You will be signed in to the Mendeley website. So now we have signed in to the Mendeley website. After signing into both the Mendeley software and Mendeley website, now let me show you how you import references from Google Scholar. To import references from Google Scholar, first you will have to go to the Google Scholar website. After there, type the desired keywords for searching the research articles. Once the research articles are searched and appeared, you have to click this red button for Mendeley. From this list, select those references that you want to import. After selecting the references, click this button add to Mendeley. Okay, now go to your Mendeley and click on this sync button. Once you click sync button, you will see the references that you imported from Google Scholar. Now let's see how we import references from Pubmed site. Go to the Pubmed site, type the desired keywords. Now click this Mendeley button, the red color button. Select your desired references and then click add to Mendeley. Go to your Mendeley software and click this sync button. You will see that reference into your library. Okay, after importing references from Google Scholar, from Pubmed and all other websites, from wherever you want to import references into your Mendeley library, then you will have to insert those references into your document. The document could be your synopsis, thesis, dissertation, or your research article. So let's insert some of the references into our document. First, open your Word document. Here, for example, you have to type some statements, sentences. For example, it's I am Roshan Ali, and suppose you have taken this statement from a research article, then you will need to insert a citation of that research article over here. For inserting the citation, you have to go to the reference tab on your Word document. After going to the reference tab, then you will have to click this insert citation button. After clicking the insert citation button, this box will appear. Here type the keyword from your research articles that you have in your Mendeley library and then click OK. As soon as you click OK, you will see the citation has appeared on your document. Now type another sentence, and after typing another sentence, then again go to insert citation and type the keywords of the research articles from you where you have taken this statement from. Click OK. You will see another reference has also been added, and now type the third sentence. Okay, click insert citation, search for the research articles. Here This will search the search article into your Mendeley library, not on Google Scholar, etc. If you want to insert another citation, you can also add 2 or 3 references into the same box. Okay, similarly, you can add as many references as you want. A third reference. Okay, click OK. So 1-3. After inserting all the references, then you will have to insert the bibliography at the end of the document. Type references, click enter, and then click this button, insert bibliography. Your bibliography appear here. Okay, how will you change your references style? For example, from Vancouver to Howard, or from Howard to some other style, for example EPA, etc. Let me show you how you can do that. Click this style button, and from here select your desired style. All your references will be changed into your desired style. Okay, this is American Political Science and Association. This one is IEEE. This is Vancouver style. Okay, you can click on more styles. From here you can search for more styles if they are not available on the main tab. These are the installed citations, and you can get more styles from here. Just search for a style. For example, I'm searching for other kinds of Vancouver. Okay, type Vancouver, and you will see there are lots of other kinds of Vancouver styles. If you want to install, just select the style and then click install. For example, you want to install this one, so click install, select. Okay, now select this Vancouver style and click install. These reference styles will be installed on your local Mendeley. This is a superscript Vancouver style. This one is a different kind of Vancouver style. So you can install many different kinds of reference styles in this way. And now you want to insert that style. So go to the style tab, click on use this style. So this style will be now used into your document. So you can see now our style has changed. Again, click more styles, and then select this style and click select. And now again you want to change to another style, superscript style. Okay, you must click the use this style button, otherwise it will not be applied to your document. You can cut and paste any sentence from anywhere in your document and paste it to any other place in your document. For example, we cut the last sentence and paste it at the beginning. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be thankful. Bye.